to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you on this vlog today. Guess what? We are running an entirely new series. So my vlog initially has been all about my internship exploration, experiences and everything, but subsequently I'm going to be educating you and telling you a whole lot of things you don't know but close by, kind of you're not aware, like you're not aware of these things, and it's because you're not aware that is why you're not utilizing these things or this opportunity. So stay tuned. We're going to tag this series the tech series, right? Tech series. So from now onwards, you get to learn a whole lot from me. And why am I doing this, or why is this coming up? I guess if you watched my previous vlog, you must have come to get to know a lot of things about me. And also, if you got to know these things about me, you would also understand that I was selected as one of the 2.0 fellows for CyberSafe Foundation. So automatically, I am a cyber girl. So you know now, all these tech people, when they come and they dress techie. So I just thought of, okay, why not I just come up looking this way, all for my subscribers. So I hope I'm looking tech enough, right? Good. So on today's vlog and on subsequent vlogs, we're going to be discussing everything tech, everything ICT, everything information that has to do with communication and then technology, right? So stay tuned. First of all, I'm going to tell you about the fundamentals of Google and Microsoft Word. I would appreciate, and it would be in your best interest, to get a writing note and then take note of a lot of tips and a lot of secret things and a lot of invaluable tips I will be sharing with you. This sharing is courtesy of my training with CyberSafe Foundation. So I enrolled to study cyber security with CyberSafe Foundation, and the knowledge is something worth sharing with my YouTube family, with my subscribers. So let's dive right into the video. So if you're not dressed in a tech way, please just go and grab any polo. Grab that polo. Get a big shirt. Don't button it up. Like, just tech. Right? You know, a lot of us get to meet some influencers and some business brands, and then get to sign up even brand ambassadors for your business. You meet influencers, and then some of them just come to the screen and they just get your product and they are dancing with your product or whatever you're doing. Like, they're kind of marketing it and promoting it on their own personal pages or social media platform and everything, and you would pay them, you yourself, you're willing to pay them hundreds of billions of naira and everything. Okay, just like some of, if you're used to the Big Brother Naija show, a lot of these housemates come out of the house, and then next thing, white money gang, they are signing this contract. Archangels, they are already on this contract. Who again? Cross. A lot of this ex and present, it's just a lot of people, like, they just, as long as you have huge audience, you have a very, very good impression on social media, you're able to communicate and relate with your followers and your fans. Even if you say, oh yeah, fans, today we are buying always, all of them will run and go because you said it, right? So you have this influence on your audience, your your online audience, and even your physical audience, and you can influence them to get products as long as you're sure. So now a lot of business owners are willing to go the extra mile to pay those people, and then they get to advertise their product. But do you know that you can save yourself that stress? Imagine you are doing WhatsApp business on your WhatsApp status now, and you're going to pay, let's say, 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20, 100, as much as you want to, just because you want this particular brand influencer or promoter to take your business to the world. Your WhatsApp business, WhatsApp, ordinary WhatsApp, you're already going to pay somebody 20,000 naira. 20,000, fear God though. WhatsApp business. Probably what you're selling on WhatsApp there is slippers or even glasses. Some people don't even have those products they sell. They don't have it though. They just accumulate orders. That's why they're telling you strictly on pre-order. They just accumulate orders, and next thing they say pay before service. And you're thinking they have those things with them. No, once they get the money, they go into the market and then they get to shop and buy, and that is how they also. And imagine as small and as little as you are, you want to now carry your business profit and go and start dashing to influencers and business promoters because you want them to influence your business. Like, hello, is that the plan? Was that the plan? No. So fine, that is why I'm here for you. I'm going to show you very easy way and a very free way of getting to market and advertise your product all over the world. It just depends on you. It depends on your reach. It depends on to what extent you want to cover, right? Like your reach, right? So now, one of the Google tools, communication tools, advertising tools, a lot of them will be discussing them. So as advertising is concerned, there is this tool known as the Google My Business, right? What did I say? Google My Business. I will attach it up here, and it's very easy as long as you have a Google account. Of course, you should have a Google account because a lot of apps on your phone will not be able to function if they are not backed up on your Google, right? So as long as you have a Google account, you automatically have this free access to utilize any Google application. Almost, what did I say? Google My Business. Go and download that app. Download the Google My Business app. Sign up. Input your business address, what you do, your products, everything. I bet you that in 1 week of downloading this app and then inserting everything about your business, if you're into let's say you sell land or you sell houses or real estate, you're into real estate, just it's user friendly. Input and fill up the whole field you have there. What I mean by field, you'll be required to fill in your name, your active business phone number, your email. Even on Google Map, you'll be shown if you insert the right address for where your business is located. Or most times people don't even have like any business outlet. Okay, insert your home address, right? It's automatically on Google. So anybody that most people shop on Google and then they come online and they type, let's say they type salons near me, like hairdressing salons near me. When options are coming up, your business is, and what if the person, luckily for you, if the person is close by to where your business is located, you just get a lot of clients coming to you, and that is the magic for you. You are not paying shit, like you are not paying anything, and you get your business advertised, right? Just for free. Google My Business, Google Retail, you get it advertised. Let me know in the comment section if you are literate enough as it has to do with ICT, because most people, their phones, the only thing they can do with their phone is just to take cute, nice pictures, and then that is the end of it. So do let me know in the comment section if you can relate to this thing I'm saying. And while you're using Google My Business, you would want to find out, okay, how many people visit my business page? How many people, like, what do people want? What is in high demand? Sometimes people have money, like too much money, and they're wondering, what business exactly do I go into? What business do I explore? Like, the business is not your problem, the money is not your problem, right? But you've not made up your mind exactly what you want to start selling or what service you want to render. I'm sorry I'm using business. Sometimes it could be services, right? It could be services, a lot of services, anything that just has to do with anything that gives you legitimate money, and then you make profits from it, right? All those options are there. So once in a while you want to carry out this survey, like you want to get what it looks like, right? There's Google Analytics there for you. All these things are handy applications you can easily download and then make very good use of. So most times people go into the market, or they just ask on their WhatsApp status, on their Instagram story, or find out from friends and relations and relatives. But your friends and relatives will not buy all your products. Like, you have to have customers outside them, right? So it helps you keep track of, okay, these are the number of people that visited my site, these are the number of businesses people pay more attention to, right? And a lot of data and information you can get. Then there is this, it also works the same way Google survey works, right? Kind of relates it within your locality, outside of your locality, country-wise, immediate environment. Like, these are handy Google communication tools you can use, right? Some other times you want to know, okay, what is trending? Like, what is trending? So personally, I noticed that lately, if you're an active user on Instagram, I noticed that lately, I'm sorry, I'm going to stand up and show you because I am priding myself. So I noticed that lately, a lot of people love these jackets. Like, we're in Nigeria, right? Focus on the jacket. So we're in Nigeria, and some people want to feel like they are already in Canada or in Dubai or in any country of their choice, and they are buying this jacket. It's not bad anyway, because I mean, mine looks good on me, right? So you want to know what's trending. You want to know what hairstyle is trending, what kind of wig is trending, what kind of business or service is trending, right? If you go out asking about what number of information will you get, you might just get close to like 50 people give you feedback, right? But on Google Trend, you would know, and you're very certain. This is a trend of things. This is what is trending in the world. This is what is trending now. Like, you get all these things, and when you know, this is how this country works. Very funny, I know, but this is how this country works. You start doing business today, let's say you're selling these jackets, right? And you're selling these jackets today. Do you know that in the next 3 years, it might even be singlets that will be trending? Like this normal singlets, this masculine singlet, it might just be trending. Things like fashion is dynamic, right? Fashion is dynamic, business is dynamic, right? There are some services that are also dynamic as well. So it will be in your best interest to flow with the trend. But there are some businesses that would always be in demand, right? You can get to find them out on Google Trend. So tell me in the comment section if you've been using these applications or these tools, any of them in the past, and tell me how it has helped your life, how you've benefited from it, and what it's doing differently what it's doing differently for you. And then if you've been using influencers and promoters, download this app and tell me in the comment section what improvements you've noticed. What improvement? Do you think using Google My Business application or tool helps your business faster than using brand ambassadors or influeers or promoters? So let's make the comparison and know team brand ambassador versus team Google My Business or Google Retail Business. So I feel so happy sharing this thing with you. I feel so satisfied, I feel so fulfilled giving you all this information because I trust you're gonna make amazing use of it. So see you in my next video. Remember, this is our tech series. Do not miss out. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Bye.